To use AWS Amplify MFA setup, start by creating an AWS Amplify project and installing the Amplify CLI. Once installed, configure Amplify by running the command Amplify init and following the prompts to set up your project. Next, install the auth category using the command Amplify add auth, and then configure the authentication settings as needed. After configuring authentication, enable MFA by running the command Amplify update auth and selecting the option to enable MFA. You will be prompted to choose an MFA method, such as SMS or Authenticator app. Choose the desired MFA method and follow the prompts to complete the setup. For example, if you choose the Authenticator app method, you will need to scan a QR code with your Authenticator app to complete the setup. Once MFA is enabled, you can test it by running the command Amplify push and then attempting to log into your application. You will be prompted to enter your username and password, and then complete the MFA challenge. Best practices for using AWS Amplify MFA setup include using a secure MFA method, such as an Authenticator app, and requiring MFA for all users. You should also test your MFA setup regularly to ensure it is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can use AWS Amplify MFA setup to add an extra layer of security to your application and protect your users from unauthorized access. It is also important to note that AWS Amplify MFA setup supports multiple MFA methods, including SMS, Authenticator app, and email. You can choose the method that best fits your needs and the needs of your users. Additionally, AWS Amplify provides a pre-built UI component for MFA, which can be used to simplify the MFA setup process and provide a consistent user experience. Overall, using AWS Amplify MFA setup is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps, and it provides a powerful way to add MFA to your application and protect your users.